The only two cheap cuts of meat you'll ever need. Lamb and beef shanks recipe. This was done in the wood-fired oven. Let me show you how easy this is to make. But if you don't have one of these babies, your homemade oven will do the work. Like, subscribe, and let's dive into it. So I'm gonna start with these 3 lamb shanks. Just ask your butcher for them. They're about $2 to $3 per bone. Same for beef shanks. Serve them up with roasted or mashed potatoes. 1 bone or piece per person is perfect. Alright, let's begin by slicing up 3 medium-sized lemons. Then, we'll generously drizzle some extra virgin olive oil on the lamb. For seasoning, a sprinkle of 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of thyme. Next, we'll squeeze all that lemon juice over the lamb, ensuring every bit is covered. Moving on, we'll chop up a large onion and add it to the meat. For the garlic, just place the whole heads of garlic cloves between the shanks. Now that we've got everything lined up, we're gonna place a piece of parchment paper on top. Then we'll seal it all in by covering the baking tray with aluminum foil, ensuring everything's securely wrapped. I'm going to slide the baking tray into the oven. Let's give this lamb a good 3 hours in the oven at 600 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the secret to these cuts. That's what makes these cuts so special. They get all the time they need for slow roasting. Once time's up, let's take out the tray. You can hear it cooking away. Carefully lift off the aluminum foil and let's have a look. The meat is so tender and practically falls off the bone. It looks and smells fantastic. Alright, let's plate it over some creamy mashed potatoes. Don't forget to ladle on that rich lamb fat sauce with onions and garlic from the tray. And voila! There you have it. A simple and budget-friendly dinner for less than $10. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's move on to the beef shanks. First up, we'll place these beautiful beef shanks in a roasting pan. And we'll add some thick-cut potatoes and olive oil. Season the whole tray with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and a large sprig of rosemary. This will bring out the best in the beef. Then, cover it all up with some aluminum foil and pop it into the oven. We'll place the sheet pan right in the middle of the oven where the temperature is between 800 and 850 degrees Fahrenheit. Listen to that sizzle. We'll let this bad boy slow roast for a good 5 hours. Fast forward 5 hours, and it's time to wake up our beef. Gently remove the aluminum foil, and behold, everything is perfectly cooked and ready to eat. The smell of the beef cooked with the rosemary is amazing. The meat is so tender that you can actually pick out the bones with your bare hands. The potatoes are also soft and delicious because they have absorbed all the great flavors of this dish. I'm telling you, this recipe never disappoints. I could eat this dish every day. That's how much I love these reasonably priced cuts of meat. The magic of these budget-friendly dishes is that the recipe is super easy and you can feed a small group of 3 to 5 people for only $10 to $15. It's proof that you can enjoy something delicious, and you don't have to spend a fortune to eat well. I've also just posted a video about the 5 reasons why you should buy or build a wood-fired oven. You can find the link in the description box and in the pinned comment. Please check it out and don't forget to subscribe. And check out the other videos I have on the screen.